In this training video, we'll be covering campaign triggers. From the Smart Campaign screen, go to Campaign Triggers. In this screen, you'll see all the triggers that you currently have set. You can pause or run the trigger, edit or delete an existing trigger, or create a new trigger. To create a new trigger, click on the Add New Trigger button. Give the trigger a name, select the campaign that you want to trigger, and then decide whether you want to trigger it on your recruiting leads or on your team and retention. You can have the trigger start or stop, which will begin or pause the campaign. Select if any or all of the conditions below apply. Using this feature, you can add different combinations of triggers. Select the Field dropdown to see the different types of triggers. At the bottom of the Field dropdown, you'll find source-based triggers. Next, click the Operator dropdown and select Is. Lastly, click the Value dropdown and either select a source from the list or just start typing to have the source autofill. For example, you can type landing page, then save, and it would trigger this campaign automatically on any submission that comes through your landing page. Keep in mind that any leads that come through your landing page will automatically have the source designated as landing page. In another example, you can change the value field to referral, and it will trigger on any referrals coming through your landing pages. For any inbound leads you have coming into Brokerkit using ZAPIER, such as Facebook, lead ads, or WiseHire, you can automatically trigger campaigns on them as well. You can also have it trigger on any manually created contacts in the user interface, as well as on different sources, including any custom sources you may have added. We also have date-based triggers. You'll notice that there's a different set of options for leads versus team, as some are only relevant for recruiting versus retention. Regarding leads and retention, some examples would be triggered before or after an appointment, like an intro for your brokerage and a video email that goes out before or after the appointment, giving them additional info. If you set the value to the date of the appointment, the campaign will be triggered on that specific day. If you want to trigger 1 day prior, select 1 day prior in the value dropdown, or select 1 day afterward to send after the appointment. This will also work the same when selecting appointment logged from the field dropdown. You can also trigger on other dates like birthdays, when a contact is created, license expiration, and many others. Now, if we go select team instead of leads, you'll see that there are some new dates to choose from. Some popular ones would be birthdays and anniversaries for your team members, and set up a campaign to automatically send out well wishes on those dates. You could also use joined on date to trigger an onboarding campaign based on when team members join the team, as well as several other great options. That concludes our video on setting up campaign triggers. Please let us know if you have any questions by emailing us.